Are you tired of unwanted text from someone? What if I tell you that in just a few taps or steps, you can completely block them from messaging you again? In this tutorial, I will show you the steps simplest method to block anyone from sending you messages on your phone. No more spam, no more disturbance, just peace of mind. Before starting our tutorial, please do subscribe, hit the bell icon for more tech tips, tricks and secrets. Go to your Google Play Store, then search on the search bar calls and SMS. Alright, SMS blocker. Just download this application. I already downloaded this one which have 10 million downloads. Then open it. After opening up the application, just go to left side to messenger option. After here, click on the pencil button. Okay, then select anyone contact which you want to block on messenger, like this one. I block this contact, I want to block. All right, then what you do, click on right top corner three bars. Then here you will see a download option, block. Click on block. Are you sure you want to proceed? Yes. Now guys, look, you have successfully blocked this contact on messenger, not on call list. Just doing these simple steps, you can block anyone on messenger. I hope this tutorial is you found helpful. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye. Best of luck.